Hey, welcome back to Nosco Unpacked. I'm Steve Kruger, FlexPack Growth Manager, and today we're going to talk about food safety, CGMP, and all of the standards that make sense and are prudent for your business. I'm joined by Kyle Vafiata, Solutions Engineer here at Nosco, and we're going to dig into all of the details about various certifications and standards that are critical for your business. So you might be wondering why we've got beard nets and hair nets on, and today we're going to dig in and explain exactly why that is. We're going to cover topics like CGMP and food safety, and talk about why that's important for your business.
Whew, all right, well, we'll take that off for now. Okay, I guess maybe we'll do that too, huh?
Kyle, why don't you talk to us a little bit about the differences between food safety regulations and CGMP regulations?
Well, Steve, there's really two broad categories where this falls into, right? You have, on the one side, what is like document control at a company, and then physically what happens on the manufacturing floor. Obviously, when I'm sitting at my desk, I don't need to wear a beard net and a hair net. But when I'm on the manufacturing floor where the product is being made, I have to wear these things to keep the product safe. That would fall broadly under your categories of GMPs or CGMPs. They're good manufacturing practices for when someone is actually in contact with the product of the customer. The other side of that would be GMPs related to document control. So at Nosco, when we service our pharmaceutical customers, they have probably some of the highest levels of document control related to their products in the industry because they're pharmaceutical customers. So really, when we're talking about these things, it's knowing where the customer needs in terms of document control and where they need in terms of safety on the floor for their product.
So that's really interesting, Kyle. I didn't realize the correlation, I guess, between food safety, hair nets, beard nets, and GMP practices.
Exactly. So when we built our FlexPack division here at the PIC, we implemented food safety and we started wearing these things in that area because we went from handling secondary packaging that wasn't in direct contact with what the consumer was going to use to manufacturing direct food contact materials, which because they're, the consumer product touches it directly, we need to have a higher level of GMP within our food safety area so that the consumer is protected. And that's why we wear hair nets, beard nets, gloves, that sort of thing. So the physical safety part of the plant is one part of it. The other part would be all of our document control, change control, HACCP, traceability for our raw materials, all the formulations we use for the products we make, all the things related to reproducing the product for the customer over and over again in a way that it's going to be safe, it's going to be consistent, and it's going to have high quality standards.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense, Kyle. Thanks. I guess I'm going to probably head back to my desk now.
Steve, as much hair as you and I both have, you actually don't need to wear that at your desk, only near the production area.
But I kind of like it.
I can see why you do, but you don't have to do it.
Well, I might keep it on, and I hope you liked it as well. If you found all the information we covered today insightful, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. This is Nosco Unpacked, flexible packaging made easy. See you next time.